Alright everybody, so what we got going on now is our Robocoup. Most people just got a new Robocoup. And so, I got this young lady, she's going to help me. Uh-oh! Alright, so, we're working on our Robocoup. You know it's a busy time, but this will make your cutting your vegetables much easier. So we got to talk about how do we assemble the Robocoup. So the first thing we want to do is, I got my machine. And you notice it's not plugged up. But the whole thing about it is about the magnets. This is made a little bit different. It's going to come with two parts. You got this part right here, you got this bowl attachment, okay? So make sure you take this off, and you want to clean up inside of here and everything. So first thing I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you how to put this attachment on. This is one you probably mostly going to be using. So one thing I want to do is, if you look right here, these have magnets. 1, 2, 3 magnets. It also has a slit that you slide the thing in. So you got to make sure that that's a magnet, that's a magnet, and that's a magnet. So this has to match up to these 3 magnets right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is put this on top. Let me take this part off. Take this part off. This side, I know what this tray is for. So, there you go. So let's do this again. Now you press this button to release it. Okay? Alright, so we're going to put this in just like this. You might have to change it a little bit so you hear that pop. Once you hear that pop, then we're good to go. The next part we want to do is this part right here. So I'm going to add this right here. So when I put this right here, the most important thing that I do is put this stick right here inside of it. So this is going to go right through this little hole. You see that? You want to slide that through. Now what that enables this machine to do is open up. And so now I can put in my pan, like my black pan, so this can let the vegetables come out easier. There's 2 ways you can put this in. You can put it in this way, and you can turn it around and put it in this way. It doesn't really matter, but it's just like this, okay? So now, the whole thing about this won't cut on until all my magnets are connected. This has to be closed, this has to be down. So now, I'll plug it up. Now the thing you gotta think about is, these are just speeds. How fast you want that speed to go. So if I put this on, like say at 15, I can use that. Now we have our blades. These are just different blades that we have. So I'm gonna pull out one of these blades right here, and we're gonna put one of these blades inside. This is like our slicing blades. We use this for cucumbers and for different things like that. So the way I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna open this up, and what I want to do is slide this down. And these grooves gotta go inside here. And once I put that down, I kind of turn it to make sure that it's fitting. Then I can close it. Once I do that, put this on. Now, if I press start, you probably can't hear it. But if I press this is going on. You probably can't. I can hear it. You probably can't hear it on them. But if I press this is going. And then I can just chop. Then I can put things in here. And then just chop. You touch right here, you can feel the blade move. It's quiet, okay? So those are ways to do that. Now, the cool thing about this, make sure you cut this off. It's so silent that you might not realize that it's on. It's automatically gonna cut off if I open it up. But I always like to cut it off. All right, so let's put on the bowl. I'm gonna close this up. I'm gonna press this button right here just to take this off. Take this part off first. All right. You're gonna take this part out. Take our blade off. Be careful with the blade. You can't cut yourself. Alright. Now, I can turn this and take this off. Okay? So now what we want to do is add this bowl. Now what you'll be using this bowl for is making your remoulade or other things that you need to kind of blend in very well. So if I put this bowl on, now one thing about it, see this part right here has to go in the middle. The handle goes in the middle. So I'm gonna put this in. All right, let's do that again. Just put it in, turn it, it's gonna click, okay? Now I can put my blade in right here. Slide that right in here. Now this the part right here, you notice this has a scraper too. So this gotta be inside of it, okay? And you see how you have this arrow on that part? This has to go and filter in right here. This has a little magnet that won't let this start. So when I put this in, I'm gonna turn it like this, all right? Then, as you can see, the blade is on. And seeing from that part, I can lift this part up. Well, you can use this to turn things, scrape things on the side, like a scraper, okay? So I'm gonna cut this off, and if I need to just put something in, I can just take this part off as well. So this goes in right here. Make sure that this arrow aligns, and I'm ready to go. So now, how do we take it off? Right here's another lever. I'm gonna push this, come to the side right here. You see this right here? I'm just gonna press this right here, and I'm gonna twist it off. And once I do that, it'll come right on up. And that's our Robocoup training. If you have any questions, give me a call, look for the videos. I think it's gonna help you out tremendously in your salads and make your cuts for the same size. And thank you.